mini vlog.
Good morning, vlog. This is vlog number 6. It's Memorial Day.
So our plan today is
sorry.
we're gonna go to what's it called?
High Show Falls. It's this cool waterfall, I guess.
And then we're gonna come back and swim.
Okay, fit check.
Hey guys, we're on the road and we're getting ready to go. Catch you guys later. Alright guys, we made it to High Show Falls, or however you say it.
Yep.
And we're about to get going.
We'll see if it's good. Wow. This is kind of scary. There's like a drop off right here.
No, it's relaxing.
Hello.
Shut the hell up, shut the hell up, shut the hell up and get your work done. Shut the hell up, shut the hell up.
Go! Hey guys, welcome to another.
Hope you liked watching vlog number 6.
And this comedy special.
Yes, see you later.